I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Who are you?
Cat.
And who are you?
Mummy.
Hello, Jack's mammy.
Hello.
What are you doing here?
Ladybird.
Great. I'll wait here with you.
Let's love sign. Wait. Wait. You sign. Wait. Good. Wait.
Jack,
Yes.
I have some deliveries for the bus depot. Will you help me?
I help you.
Great, it's over there. Hello, I'm Joe, and I have some deliveries for you. This is Jack. He is helping me today.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Jack. Oh, I'm pleased to meet you.
Good meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
My bus is late. But come on in.
Okay.
Ah, so you want the deliveries to get the bus ready.
How did you know that?
Because I have deliveries for you.
My deliveries are bin bags, water and oil.
Ah, you need to clean the bus.
Yeah, the bus is very untidy. Come on, I'll show you.
Okay.
Let's love sign. Bus. Bus. You sign. Bus. Good. Bus.
Look at all of this rubbish.
Yeah.
Will you help me clean this up?
Yes.
Yes.
I have an idea. Wait here. Wait.
Hey.
I have deliveries. Hi, Jack. Can we go to town now?
No.
Why? There's no oil in the engine.
But I broke it.
Don't worry. Wait here.
We're gone.
sign. Be careful. Be careful. U sign. Be careful. Good. Be careful.
Okay.
Thanks, Jack.
Go.
Oh, thank you, Jack.
Boom.
That's enough, yeah? Perfect. Good job.
So, the bus is working now,
Yeah.
but we still have to wash
Yeah.
the bus.
Yeah.
Do you have another delivery for me?
Yes. Wait here. A bucket and a sponge.
Oh.
Too small?
Yeah. I'm done.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Susie.
Dazzy.
Hello. You must be waiting on Joe and Ozzy. They must be late. Look at the time.
Let's love sign. Time. Time. U sign. Time. Good. Time.
Now, Ozzy, where is the airport? Yes, I knew that. Joe and Ozzy. You must be Aoife and Numi.
Hello, Joe. You are very late and our VIP has been waiting.
VIP?
Very important passenger.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay, Joe. Come on, let's get going.
Okay.
But first, I'm going to need a new bag.
A new bag? My first delivery? Wait here. Oh.
No, Joe, that bag is too small.
Oh.
That's perfect.
Ba.
Next, I do my little routine. I do the same thing every time. Now it's time for my coffee. Oh no! The cafe is closed. I can't have my coffee. Oh. But I always have my coffee before I go.
I don't like coffee. It makes me silly.
Me.
Yes, I know. Coffee! My second delivery. Wait here. Oh. Coffee.
Oh, Joe, that's not coffee. That's toffee sweet.
Ah.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say dizzy,
Daddy. Daddy.
Perfect!
It's nearly time for us to fly on Dizzy Airlines.
Now my cup is empty.
Daddy.
Let's love sign. Empty. Empty. You sign. Empty. Good. Empty.
Here we are in security. here we go in the aeroplane.
I'm so excited.
There.
Let's love sign. Excited. Excited. You sign. Excited. Good. Excited.
Aeroplane.
Now we are ready to go on the aeroplane. But hang on. Where is the aeroplane?
Yes. Where is the aeroplane? I remember my third delivery. Just say dizzy, dazzy,
Day.
Hands up.
Aw, I had a great day. Thank you, Aoife. And thank you, Numi. Aw. Hello, Sophie. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Will you help me with my deliveries?
Yeah.
Wait there. Oh. Because we're going on a train, I'm going to need my dizzy delivery bag.
Bad.
But where is my bag? I know. Dizzy, dazzy, day. Sophie, today is a very big day. Somebody special is coming to the train.
Say.
But it's a secret.
Let's love sign. Train. Train. You sign. Train. Good. Train.
Come on, let's get our ticket. Come on down. In here.
Shh, I'm the special person. But don't tell anybody.
Two tickets, please. No.
Why?
Why?
My printer is broken.
Look,
Voting.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. One printer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now you can print our tickets for the train.
Don't tell anybody.
Sophie, I got 2 tickets. Come on, everybody.
Welcome.
I have tickets.
No,
Why?
because I can't see.
Why?
Because I don't have my glasses.
Let's love sign. Glasses. Glasses. You sign. Glasses. Good. Glasses.
I can't see.
Wait, I have a delivery for you. Glasses.
No, those glasses are for drinking. Thank you.
Woohoo! We're going on the train. Let's go! Wave at some people! I love the train! Sophie, what can you see from the train? A tree? A river? I'm tired.
Train's coming. Yep.
Bye. 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 Thank you.
Sophie, let's get the platform tidy for our special guest.
Aww.
Our special guest is coming here. We need to tidy up.
Yeah. Baby rabbit.
Let's love sign. Tidy up. Tidy up. You sign. Tidy up. Good. Tidy up.
We need to tidy up.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I have things to make it nice.
Alright.
Oh! Aha! In there. Thank you, and this one. Hey! That's my shoe! Sophie, this picnic we made is amazing. Our special guest is going to love it.
Wow!
Welcome, Seamus.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Did you make this sandwich?
Yeah.
You did? Wow. Thank you. It's amazing.
That's for you.
Thank you.
Can I have one?
This one. I made a mess.
Ugh.
It's so sandy.
Cheers, Mr. Train Driver. This is the way we eat our cake.
Eat our cake. Eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake. eat our cake, eat our cake. This is the way we eat our cake all day long. Well, it's time to go. See everyone, bye!